Hello traders, hope you're doing good. And I'm looking to buy gold today. So orders are ready, account is set. Let's get our order ready. Come on, order filled. Stop goes previous swing. Okay, all good. Let's go for 1-to-1. Okay, take profit. Okay, so that's it. I'm looking for a breakout move. What is a breakout move? We have a breakout candle earlier this morning. So since I live in UAE, so this was my 4 p.m. So this is start of the day on gold. Nice breakout candle. What happened? No follow through. Okay, then they got stuck in this range. Again, a breakout, right? So we don't know if this will be a breakout or it will be just a failure back to the lows. So coming back again, the price broke out aggressively. Again, new high. But what you see here is a lot of wick. A lot of wick. And then again, we have some retracement. And then now, finally, the price came back to the EMA moving higher. And then now we have retracement. I'm sorry, I just clicked the wrong button. So never mind. So buying above this bars, because I believe this is just nothing but just a buying opportunity. Even you can draw your rising trend line. And now looking for 1-to-1, where this will be the risk and this will be the reward. It's just 1-to-1. Why 1-to-1? Why the stop is placed under the previous swing? It's because that's the best way to place your stop. You don't want to see the price coming in, choking you, take you out from the trade. You will be just choking here then, right? Take you out from the trade and then goes higher. So you need to give the trade a little bit room, so it can move back and forth, it can move sideline, and then it can go higher. Right, we have some buys on Forex side. Since yesterday my platform was not working. Let me see, where is this? Seriously, here it is. Here, XAUUSD. Here you go. Bring it here. So this is a longer term buy. We have a buy in this bar, and then stop is underneath it. And then I'm looking for 1-to-1, which I believe I've achieved 1-to-1 already. And now looking for new high back to 1750s or maybe something like that. Wait, since I'm not big, here you go, 46. So we'll take, where is gold here? Okay. Have a look. We have a one push down for gold. Okay. So after gunning for highs, and highs, look at what gold did. They pushed for a new low, one leg push, and then second leg as well, right? So one leg down, and then the second leg down. So this will be the first leg, second leg, and then they just moved higher. So what we need to do in this types of situation, what you need to do is you need to wait for the first leg for the buyers to show up. So first leg down, second leg down. You don't just buy this because it may go lower. You need to wait for a little bit lower high. At this point, you need to buy, and then price may go up or may go down, depends. But so supposingly this bar must not be this big. It needs to be a little bit like a signal bar. Much better if I can just show you, just like this. This bar you see in this rectangle, this is what you need to see here. Will be a perfect buying scenario, textbook entry for gold. So never mind, this one is here, is one longer term buy on gold. So we'll give it some time, and then we have Nasdaq as well. Same scenario. We had just one push down. We don't have second push down. we have rising support if you want to draw it from here, anywhere. So coming out to the same area. So buyers started to buy early because they don't know if the price will go or not. And then same scenario. This is a textbook entry if you will buy above this. This bar will be the textbook entry. This is aggressive entries. In aggressive entries, stop is much smaller, the risk is much smaller, and you need to get out from the trade at same pace with the stop. So coming back to our intraday trade, that is on gold. Again, a nice pullback, and now waiting for a breakout move on gold, looking for 66 half. Will take some time because gold usually it moves quite slow, and we'll see if the price is willing to go, if the volatility is there. In case if the price goes back to the highs, because this is the risk that I have taken on trade, 28 points. So I'll maybe looking to get out from the trade, sorry about this, at $28, 28 points. Let's just mark it really quick. Let's go for green. Here you go, solid dash, and with this too, so I can remember that. Okay, so all set for gold, and we'll give it some time now and catch you in a while. All right, we are very close to our first target, that is 1-to-1 on gold. In case if you want to get out from the trade, now is your time, because that's what, let me just, yes, so that's what you actually, I risked to get in. So I actually saw the risk of 28 points, negative 28 points. So I can exit now. That is the actual risk taken on the trade. But what risk I am ready to take is of 78 points. That sends me at 66 half. So all we need is some time now. Hopefully I may think to squeeze my stop loss, since I will be seeing some weakness on these highs, and in case if there is weakness on the highs, I will be looking to exit ASAP. So, but I'll give it some time now. Looks like the buyers are in control, and nothing so far showing up. Just this resistance line that the buyers was not able to defend. So I'll just see what the price may do when they come here. But apart from this, I don't have any concerns on the trade so far. We'll give it some more time and we'll catch you in a while. Thank you. All right, we're testing the target, still 1.5 minutes for the price to close above it. In case if the price closes above, I will look to squeeze my stop loss and maybe go for break even +1. I will trail my stop loss until we achieve our the final portion of the trade, that is sitting at 66.5. So until then, I will move my stop loss back to where it is, and it's just a matter of time. Hopefully they may close above, or in case if not, we may see some profit taking. That's what you see, some price goes back and forth. So in case if you'll go to 10-second chart, you will see that there's a lot of bear guys. So that's what I want to see. I want to see some profit taking, but same time I want to see a breakout, and then maybe a red 4 or 5 candles. Maybe it will take half more hours, but I don't want to see this candle turning bearish. Look at this. That's what exactly happening. Still 36 seconds on the clock for the bar to close, but this is not looking good. We'll give it still some time, and we'll see how the market reacts to the resistance up there, trendline resistance. Until then, let's just wait and see. That's exactly I don't want to see. But since it happened and we're back to zero, I'll still give it some time, maybe back to 51 handle, and we'll see if the price, especially the next candle, will decide if the price is willing to go back to the highs or not. Initially, technically they have a new high, so there you go, new session high. So what happens most of the times is we have a bear guy that has engulfed previous 2-3 bars, and then we see that buyers are slowly making their way to the upside. So we'll see how this bear closes, and especially next two bars will decide how we have to react to this market gold. So let's give it some more time now. Huge selling pressure. Wow. Nice. That's what I wanted to see. Exactly, a bear guy and then no follow through. Immediate buying pressure showing off. So in case if I am a buyer, I would love to buy the close of this bar, right? Still a better entry than mine. Okay, and I will be making approximately plus 4 points on my trade and going through. Since it was very close to my entry, that is just 4 points away, so that's why I did not take this trade. So, but there was an opportunity back to the EMA and buying the close of this big engulfing bar, which has engulfed previous 20 minutes, right? So looking good so far on gold. I have faith now in the buyers that it's just a matter of time before we hit this 66.5. So that's it. It may take like an hour or so. So I'll hit the pause button and then we'll see if the price is close to our objective, especially this rising trend line. I don't think so that it will be respected anymore now. They started here, once respected, twice, thrice, and then this one was nice one. So it's just a matter of time now before the price hits 66. So that's it. A bad day on gold. Never mind, it happens. I was really looking to take everything out, but it's just greed who took me over, and was hoping that this candle will turn out as a bullish candle, but it's just a matter of time before we stopped out. Nice trade overall. So it's just a matter of time now. Looks like a butterfly pattern, if you can see that, right? If you can just draw it. So there can be buying opportunities somewhere down here, but that's it. I tried giving the trade the room that I could. Didn't book the profit here. That was the actual risk taken, 28 points on gold, but now I'm getting a loss of 78 points. This is it. Maybe these buyers showed up. They took everything out here, or if not, for sure they took out everything here. So that's it. Should have taken everything out here, but looks like it might be the butterfly pattern, or maybe they'll just stop me and then we'll move higher. But overall, it's just negative 78 points and negative $780 for the day. Just one trade on gold. On the Forex side, everything looks smooth. I'm holding on to this trade. We'll try to hold on for even further, because it's a swing trade. I'm not looking for an intraday trade on gold, but this intraday trade that you are looking now will be stopped out now, and was looking for a breakout move. The breakout happened, a new high it occurred, but the buyers didn't have that fuel left in them to trigger 66.5. So that's it. I'll be stopped out anytime soon. So that's it. Hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye bye.